Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think I don't do my own sharing correct from my end, and I know it takes so much of my time for the talk about record. Okay, as we all know, the topic then be today very clean for everybody to understand. I don't wake up this morning and not say so many things that go on within the environment of the peace ambassadors. I'm gonna make that me be very clear for every single person. Make it know this, make it take up for your mind. No say, when you become a peace ambassador, where you don't first be an ambassador sponsor. Oh we, yes, you must accept that. At one point, you don't be an ambassador sponsor. You don't be somebody where you send money for your LGA. You don't be a person where you send money for some person to go buy AK. You don't be a person where you send money to go buy a knife. Don't take that and you want to come amongst the suffering people, the people where this pains, they don't sustain this whole situation. We want to take, because we did diaspora, we want to take advantage. That is not the case. This whole peace ambassador thing not get anything to do with any government, any organization. Now just idea where it come from ground zero. And we look and say the ground zero people them, they get a brilliant idea. I'm talking of Northwest and Southwest. And the victims where they come out for all these areas. The Northwest region, the Southwest region, where they find themselves them for Yaoundé, Douala, and so on and so forth. They don't be displayed. They don't lose thousands of dollars. They don't lose millions of CFA. Their properties, they don't be hijacked at this moment when we talk by the fighters, them, the Amber Boys. Them. It's a fact. And these people then there at the virtue of doing what they can do to eradicate anything that comes our way. It doesn't matter if you are a peace ambassador or you are an ex-Amber fighter or whatsoever. You have to understand, these people were living their peaceful lives. They know exactly their sufferings. Yes, they were able to accommodate whatever the pains they were going through. But today, they cannot even stand it again because everything has been stolen, has been hijacked, has been abducted, has been kidnapped, everything. They do not have nothing again to be boasted of. And they are now in Yaoundé, Douala, they are all victims of this war. A senseless war, like I always put it. A senseless war. I don't beat around the bushes. I don't beg, I don't sugarcoat with any bloody civilian. You know that. And they should know this by now. I don't sugarcoat with any of them. I say it as it is. We all were there. And this is not a time for any peace ambassador who lives in diaspora to come and try to come and project his or herself out there in front of those who are suffering. Rather, we should be looking for means to help accommodate these people who are suffering today because of the diaspora. And because of who? The government again. When I say the government of Cameroon, because this thing was, at the beginning, it was not properly handled. So, there are two people in question here. And there is a victim who is playing the most difficult part. Yes, the victims are the ones who are going through hell. And the government and the diasporans, the diasporans who are sponsoring all these things, they are the ones living their happy life. That is the fact. So you must understand, and we do this the right way, because the victims are the only people that can give you protection. The victims are the only people that can kill you. You have to know this. The victims are the ones that will kill you, and the victims are the ones that will give you protection. Don't run your mouth. And to all the ex-Amber fighters, I will break this down to you too. So you all are also peace ambassadors at this time. Before you, the ex-fighters, you want to talk about peace, you must know that. Take this very seriously. There were people who were already living in peace. They were not at war. So if you are an ex-Amber fighter and you have found yourself today in a situation where you have to, you are living happily, a luxury life, you are being given a lot of things we understand. We understand. I would digress a little bit to talk about this. Listen, there's one thing I will talk about what happened in Sierra Leone with John Garang. Sorry, not John Garang. Shit, I will look for his name. There's something I will explain for you, the ex-fighters, to understand and know where we are heading to. Even the Ambazonians who are in diaspora sponsoring this thing, you people will pay attention to what I'll explain. One, I will start with the video of some angry victims. Few days ago, these victims, they have been observing. Let me tell you people, you all should take this very seriously. The silent majority are the ones that will begin World War VI in Cameroon. Yes, those who are quiet, they are the ones that have the biggest voice. They are the victims. They are the ones that have just said, okay, let me just sit quiet and see what will happen. But if you, a peace ambassador, you call, or you, an ex-Amba fighter, you want to push these people to start saying the things that they have been trying to keep themselves quiet, believe me, the environment will not be suitable for you and I. Nobody. It's a fact. If you call yourself an ex-Amba fighter, yes, the government has granted you amnesty, which is a very big privilege to start with. It is something to really appreciate, that you have the guns, people were killed under your control, and so on and so forth. You were still granted the privilege to come back in the society, and again you are offered a job. Good, we appreciate that. And we also appreciate the fact that if you can come online and talk about peace without insulting or projecting yourself to those who are already there, the victims with half hands, half ears, half toes, you are pushing them to the wall. And now they'll become an enemy with the government and with you. And when they become enemy with the government has a protection. You, the civilian, you doesn't have any protection. Then no military will go walk behind you to give you protection. No peace ambassador will be walking on the street and the military man will give him a protection, or the government. It's a lie. It's a lie. So whatever you are saying, believe me, you should be talking to the population, to the people, not to the government. That is what most bloody civilians fail to understand, that what we are doing is not for the benefit of the government. It's for the benefit of the local, the victims who are suffering. That is what we are. That is why we said, let's preach peace. We are not trying to preach peace because there was no peace. No, there was peace before we even came. And even we left, there will still be peace. But we have destroyed the peace. So we are only trying to work with those on the ground, those in the northwest and southwest, to rejuvenate everything and return the peace that was stolen. Get it very carefully. I've got a brother. I don't know. When I say brother, I'm not meaning a biological brother. I'm just talking in the Peace Ambassadors Forum. This brother has a lot to say. What has been missing? He has lost almost everything. Everything in his life. Today he has become a beggar. That brother has anger in his mind. He has anger to the fact that he doesn't even want to hear anything. My boy, peace, whatever. At this moment, he just wants an eye for an eye. But that is where you find the peace ambassadors. Because peace ambassadors are preaching peace that will benefit every single person. Be it our enemy, your enemy, and everybody. We are not here to preach selective peace. We are not here to preach peace only to Bamenda. We are not here to preach peace only to Northwest or Southwest. No, we are doing a collective job for every single person. All the victims who have been caught in between this madness, I call it again, senseless war. It's a fact. Like I said, I am not scared of any bloody civilian, because at one point I was there. I acknowledge it. I'm not denying the fact. We have all raised money. We have contributed money. And you were sitting over there in diaspora. You believe that only those who put our eyes, our faces out there to talk about the Ambazonia thing back then, and then now we are talking peace, we are all going to be jail or kill or whatever. Listen, diasporans, take this very seriously. My target is for you, you diaspora. Listen, you who is giving that money, you are 10 times dangerous than that activist who is talking. Yes, The activists always say, give it. You have the right to give it and not to give it. So, but you gave the money and they killed somebody. They cut the hand of somebody. They hijacked or they raped somebody. They took somebody's property. Diaspora, you are part of it. Don't bother to claim that my face is not out there or we are hiding behind. I am telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. Nobody is free. That is why I said I am here. Because if you want to do me any evil or whatever, you do it to me. We all have been here. And we are still going to be here to preach the peace. We must acknowledge all the fault. Things were going the right way until we started doing the wrong things. And you expect people to come and sit and be clapping hands. No. You who calls yourself a peace ambassador, come publicly, tell the people the mistakes you made, all the wrongs, and now you are back to correct those things by bringing peace. Mobilize the people, sensitize the people, let them understand the advantages of peace. We are not here to bring enemies amongst ourselves. If you want to be a peace ambassador, that you will be an enemy to another peace ambassador, then you are not part of any peace ambassador initiative or peace talks or whatever. Peace talks initiative are brilliant. Peace ambassadors are brilliant. But we need to know who we are talking to, the population. Our target should not be those who are already suffering. Mind the way we put the messages we put out there. Let's know that we are putting these messages to those people. It has nothing to do with the Cameroon government. Cameroon government will never, listen, even they embrace you. If Cameroon government accepts you, they will not give you that protection on the streets. Okay, so I guess that point has been brought. Let me go to this most important point of the day. 1 second. Okay. All right. Another point here that I must really bring it to your attention. The Cameroon government. What Cameroon government has to know at this point with the peace ambassador. Today I'll mostly be talking on the peace ambassadors because a lot have been going on that you all need to know. What the Cameroon government must know about the peace ambassadors. One, we in diaspora, we are not calling for any fame. We are not calling for any attention. We are not calling for any compensation. No, that is not our objectives. That is it. We are not calling for all those things. People who are in the peace ambassador who want attention, my brothers, my sisters, I am begging you, go to those places where attention will be granted to you. Because a layman like me, a layman like you on the ground, you deserve that attention. Not me who is in diaspora, because I have it all. I do not need anything from anybody because you are the victims. So let's shift that attention to those who are on the ground. These are the people who need the peace, and they will be the one that will bring us the peace. Diaspora will not bring peace. Listen. The same as those who are on the ground, they are the ones that will stop this war. The population will stop this war. Not diaspora will stop this war. Listen again. So if the population choose to be going through whatever they are going through, they are doing that at their own risks. Not at diaspora's risks. Because diaspora, they decide they will live here for 100 years. You can only pay a flight and come here and see them. You go back. They will choose not to go back. So you, mommy, papa, what you do for Ground Zero? Listen very carefully. No fishing as a mango come America can't give you peace. What would you do? Activism. What would you do? And activism there so not be a crime. And it just make you know you're right. And it make you know say now your own time this for stand up. You do what you're supposed to do for your community. You not gonna expect me because I talk everyday peace for camera. You feel say I go pay flight, come for Cameroon, can give you peace. No, mommy, it cannot work that way. Pa, it will not work that way. If that was the case, you see these bloody civilians of a diaspora where they call themselves the leader, they call themselves the activists. If it was that easy, they don't come for they can give una independent. Maybe una not if you say that they go give una anything or diaspora. It's a fact lie. They will only give you idea to kill each other. At the end of the day, they will remain for diaspora. They will not come to Grand Zero. They will not go to Northwest and Southwest. And if they want to come, let me tell you one sensible thing here you need to know. Mommy, Papa, una here. These people for diaspora, when they want to come for Cameroon, my tell una, they want them to sponsor the war a lot. They let it come for Northwest and Southwest. They will end them for Douala, end them for Yaoundé. The family, they can't see them for there. They discuss, they talk, they come up for there, they come them back for America. They go them back for Dubai. They go them back for Europe. So, now who they suffer? Now you, mommy. Now you, papa, because you don't decide for give your mind for people that did for white man country. They live their luxury life for the play over your mentality. Now your own time, this mommy, papa, for stand up. Tell these people and say, enough is enough. We're not going to record victims every day. Victim. What are the military cause them? What are the Amazonia boys that cause them? That is enough. It's enough. We not care. We not get out for the people that we have hand, half ear, dead bodies, people that has to be burnt. There is still people that farm lands them. It's enough. It's enough. So if you, mommy, papa, we not stand up now. We not the dream. Say these people that for diaspora. Now they go carry independent for the head can't give for now. Then I'll be very sorry. I'll be very sorry. White man is independent. White man is independent. The whole white man, they be there for their country to fight their independent. They not be there if you the same people that they come on go fight, come back. But for this one of them so that they even show face. When they even succeed, the one that they don't sponsor this war in the hiding. When they want to go Cameroon, they end up for Douala, they end up for Yaoundé. Bam! They chop their life, they can't them back. You definitely will have hand. You definitely don't even chop with Maggie. You don't even chop with salt. Mommy, ask yourself this question. Say, in the past, was that how you were living? See, me, Yannick Sikot, I don't care about any person who talk with you want to talk. Because me and them will be already enemy. They don't already call me on them. So I don't fear no bloody civilians. Now my language, now my what? If you want fear, mommy, you wait there for them, you the fear. It means that you go remember for suffer. Papa, you wait there for you the fear, you go remember for suffer. All these boys, the way when I be ride Okada. These Okada boys, the one that come out for Bamenda. When I ride Okada, when I say enough of this, so when I feel say those people they carry gun, they pass una, even military pass una, military no pass una. Why would I not stand up? Why would I not stand up? So you Okada man, you go ride your bike when I wear dress they come out for road, say we don't want this, and then you the fear. We not fear for Gabanize come out in thousands for stop this thing. I'll be very sorry. I'll be very sorry. Because we not diaspora go use we not until we not realize, we not want to realize we not self where the diaspora they don't she don't quiet, or they don't she don't quiet. We not feel the people for diaspora no she don't quiet one day. There is law. There are laws. Ma ask now one question, right? Ma and they break una law. Now say America they even accommodate these things. When I look UK, when I say UK, they have no one single activist not there for UK. No one. UK now country where they need to take shit. You know if you come for UK, where you seek asylum or you be UK citizen, you need preach atrocity me that they keep people from another my country. It can never happen. Now why that when I see this guy they call it Discord. Discord, it be making one statement for UK. Discord be being a powerful activist. Maybe the right. You know, be ever go online for talk because you know the implication the way UK go through. Only statement where right now right oh in the talk. Somebody go bomb Cameroon embassy for UK. It right. What's the today in the prison? Today the moment where they tell na mommy papa that man the prison. He get 2 years and when he come back he must go shut up. No! Now why don't I say Weber there for UK? Weber when I be carry the struggle for head, mommy, when I look, when I listen. Weber when I give the biggest voice. Cameroon shake, the entire war shake. Weber go outside, Weber go UK. It there for UK. I don't know why I don't get asylum or the seeker or whatever. But Weber decide for she don't cry because if he may, it go. I'm telling you the truth. If Weber wants to talk anything about it, it go. When I see white man, it can't be organized. Now America they tolerate a lot, and now you want to tell us say, mommy, papa, a day go come where the diaspora that go be silenced. I am telling you people the truth, and then I go see what una go do. So now the time this moon, una know whether they because that day go one come, maybe it go take 2 years, 1 month, 3 months, una go run die there at the end of the day, una will benefit nothing. Una not go hear this talk for any of their mouth them. Me, what una hear from my mouth, una take them. I don't tell una, not be scared of any bloody civilian. They will make noise on social media, but they will not feel the pains that you are feeling. You need to know. Me, I be peace ambassador. I need to feel una pains. But I need to feel them physically. But I don't put myself in a situation where I feel what way it go on right now. I see exactly. I don't imagine. Imagine say some person go Cameroon. He come back, he call me and say, Yannick, una stop that nonsense, say Ambazonia. Una listen. Because the suffer people that go through, it be very devastating. And then that person go create a fake Facebook name, continue for the advocate for the Ambazonia madness. Where he can, when I see how they use people, when I see the manipulation what people they do, that is very wrong. You don't think come out Cameroon where you don't see people that suffer. You can't tell Yannick, say Yannick, that suffer for Cameroon bad. I beg when I stop that thing because people they die, Amber boys that the key, the whole place big. Now my way come out Cameroon they testify for me. And then he go create a fake profile. The advocate for Amber. Who is fooling who? Who is fooling who? So I did talk for all the peace ambassador. No say you go get a fake Facebook name. You talk about Amber. Then you want to be peace ambassador. Or you want to talk peace. Listen. That is hypocrisy of the highest. You must be genuine. You must be clean like me. I'm speaking the truth because I am not scared of any bloody civilian. They have their social media space to talk. I have mine. So why should I be scared of somebody? I am not doing that nonsense. Am I mad? Am I mad? If you like, call me the names. 1 second, let me get a tissue. 1 second. Listen, see, if you like, it's a fact. If you like, you call names. You will not come here. You pretend to be Yannick Abidjoko Cameroon. I am telling you people, the fact is that Cameroon government is very lenient. And I believe the reason they are lenient is because at one point they allowed this to happen. Yes, Cameroon government is lenient because at one point they made this mistake. Hadn't been it wasn't a mistake. No man of America, Canada, enter for Cameroon. Where I am speaking the truth. You don't pretend with fake names and then you tell people to leave Ambazonia and then you go back, you create fake names, you continue to instigate the violence. Oh, we must kill this man. We not go for Bali. We not kill other people in the same Mimbo. We not go from Queen. We not kill other man, that boys in the same Mimbo. Why are you doing this to your own fellow brothers? Why are you doing all this? Are they your enemies? Why can't you go and attack the military who is your enemy? You are killing your own brothers every day and night. And you believe those your brothers will sit, even at a referendum come, they'll come and vote for you for independence. No! You need to treat those you want them to give you independence the right way. But you have failed from every means. You have failed. Yeah! You have failed wholly. Those whom you believe could give you, you have failed them 100%. And that is why we are telling those on the ground to pick the ball now and stand on the streets. Do not hesitate. It's your basic right. How many Amber fighters are there? How many militaries are there? The population will always be more than the military. The population will always be more than the Amber fighters. The population for Amber right now in total, the total population for Amber boys is not reach 500 people. 500 boys, they are that, it's not rich. But now think this way be start. Amber fighters will be more than 1,000. They don't kill a lot. Some they don't go to Nigeria. Some they don't decide. Say, they make the biggest mistakes of their lives for joining this team. They make the biggest mistakes because they have killed thousands of people with no remorse. That is a fact. I will take to this other point. I will digress because there is this thing I wanted not to say it, but let me say it right now. My brother, they will not listen. When I see that girl for Bali where they kill you, that small girl they kill you for Bali, I put her out here, I get attacked. People that they attack me for something where I post and when a reality. What happened with this small girl for Bali? This girl with the killing. This girl from the story, Nasa no one put out mommy information. I don't want anything. What happened with this small girl for Bali? This girl don't die for Bali. It the mind business. Now small girl upon all the host atrocity where they go on for his life for there. They begin to be resistance to that village. You know, they go school. You know, if even get a social life at one point, where you go talk. Maybe he find love with a military man. It's not a crime. The guy is innocent. And maybe military man will give you some more money. You know mean I say when we fight war, you're not gonna marry francophone, you're not gonna marry Bambrike. That's not the problem. That is not how you treat people because they are dating a military man or they are dating a like public whatsoever. You don't treat people that you don't control people's feelings. That could be your little sister. That could be your only sister in life. But what happened? Because they I don't even know if I should say suspect or whatever. You adopted this guy in front of his own mother. I think that time they said almost 6 p.m. You adopt this guy for your own mommy in front. When I take this girl, when I don't see the picture of it, you rape this girl. When I rape it, I don't know how many. But according to Rawe, mommy said 5 boys there for village. 5. We don't know how they carry the picking go for their camp or they sleep this picking. We are not even pity. You have sex with this little girl. I think the girl is 17 years old. You have sex. We're not the same 17-year-old girl that get sex. But listen, this was a rape. We not rape this girl. We not how many? You're not even sorry. You're not sorry the girl. We not kill the picking because it get affair with military. Sako, you man not be now, not be Bambrike, not be francophone. Sako don't kill you man. Now they ask you this question. We not know how many ambassadors the way they definitely that woman them. They are bad them. They are picking them na francophone. So it means that they go start killing each other. We not see why I call this a senseless and a useless war. So when I want to talk, some people can't tell me say, what about the 60-year-old woman who was raped in Bafut? Just see the evilness. Okay, they say Yannick, why you not talk about that case where the military raped a 60 or 63-year-old woman? Come on! So, okay, the war is against the military or against your own people. If I began to talk about the military, right? That was something that English people were not doing the same thing. Military rep, you are 63-year-old mommy. Why you not kill that military? Look for God, go and kill that military now. But I will talk the team where you fight for give independent for this small girl. This small girl, a person where you fight for give you independent. Military not the fight for give independent for that 63-year-old woman. Make una listen. Now why that I'm not gonna post that kind of thing because I'm not even sure because I'm not even military go there for group in the hundreds for go fight for Bafut. They go look 63-year-old mommy the rapper. You know what I say? Amber boys are getting their audacious by having sex with 63, 65-year-old women. If you want to argue with me, find out. Find out because we know the talk. Because we don't say it. No, me don't be the same when I face when I know past some people. Me gonna not say when I talk for Yannick when don't for this thing. Amber, listen. Amber for an Amber to become who he is, to become that real Amber with audacious, he needs to go through a lot of things. You need to have sex even with 2-year-old baby. I am telling you, you need to have sex with 60-year woman. Oh, you have to. There are so many things you people don't know. When I ask questions, say, all that juju the one I serve for that neck, now empty juju. Come on, maybe not the thinker, and I don't need for report the Western military rep 60-year-old mommy. And the report na person when I fight for give you independent. You cannot be fighting to give independence to a young girl, and you are raping that girl, killing that girl just because she has an affair with a uniform officer. And so what? It then not be frustration. When I never make it be frustrated, what you know go? If military give 10,000, you know what take them. When I know the one that they don't be prostitute them. Go for Yaoundé, go kill them. Go for Douala, kill all them as they sleep with francophone people then. Come on, go for Douala, kill all those guys where they sleep with military. Kill all them where they sleep with francophone them. Kill them. Since for somebody has suddenly become a method or a metrics for independence. Go and kill them. Go and kill them and get the independence. Kill them. Kill everybody and get the independence. Do you think you are more smarter than any other person in the world? Come on. You don't brainwash people to this extent. And when they want to correct mistakes, you come and tell us that. What about the 63-year-old woman? Make 63-year-old woman kill you there, bloody civilian. Nonsense. Why military? See her, not be a sister. Not be a sister. Not be a mommy. And the first one that said, all these small beautiful picking that will not still do it for village. I be sorry for saying this. I be sorry. All these small beautiful girls them, what will not do for village? Will not run for una life. You people will become sex machines. Sex toys. When I don't hear that only female shy brother away come. When I hear the way he talks, say all small girls them for there. When I be told female shall be start. When I not be see girls, they want to be fighters them. Who's that girls and there? When I don't ask question, even Nyambere himself, they be don't talk say they be get woman they were F and get them. They want get them. When I see commando come out the other day with chest, become with Bella, with small girl for a corner. If you say that, and they get the boss say be queen, it be queen, and a king that they go. When military see that girl on there for road, and they get them pregnant. When I hear from my mom say she this man, that girl is pregnant. And when I don't know, and when I ask me, so I get a video, that girl is pregnant. When you want to give birth, now I go give birth. And if they get it for go buy picking to them, if they see it for road, military identify it, oh, not be commando a woman this. What it becomes of it, military will use that girl to finish all of them. Yes, that girl will show it and they will kill all of them. You are there running behind fighters. Are you supposed to be amongst the fighters? Parade all over the streets, and you think that you got the protection? You are just selling your own life, because when you give birth with that your baby, you will not stay in that bush. You will not stay in that hut. You will need to locate so that that baby will have a beautiful life, and you will have the feelings for that your own baby. Then you will know that you were selling your face for nothing. I just advise any girl where they for out there where in the fight with Amazonians them, make you not say this war is not for women. Look for a place and go and rest. Leave them and go. Don't show your faces. This war is not for you. They will. You must come out of those bushes. What's that female fiance? Not be who on a woman. What happen? Maybe become for side for Nchang. And how they do not say that woman? Only the day where female shall say be king and queen. Queen can be work away king. Now that day where that woman project itself outside, it say itself. See, when I talk with facts, and I don't need to hear from my mom saying she dismay because she already smell. That girl don't do transaction then from Lebi and Lem to Bafun from Chang. Now that girl they pick a lot of things for female shop from Chang. That way, and man no really talk with people that matter, but man don't make when I'm not say that girl be do a lot of transactions the way be favor the red dragons until the day when female shall can project itself a king. That girl, for hide you can't show your face. You come out from Chang. Where are you today? Now the very thing where commando they do. Commando they bring a woman on a girlfriend, on a wetty for sure. Tomorrow when that girl don't go for Bamenda, they pick it up. When I say military is evil. Military is evil how? When I nobody see command when that girl the pass over there. Because be queen. I don't beg these women. When you give birth to a child, you will understand that you do not need to belong where death is smelling. Yeah. Now die the smell for others area. Now die. When I go take video for head, they don't relocate others area. And tomorrow when I go there, when they can't finish everybody, they say genocide. Genocide. When I claim say La Republic they use military devices, tracking devices. Then when I take commando go take bike, where Cameroon government donate them for picking them for Batibo, me they manage their life. Yes, we don't say military don't bomb bags them. But they can't get that one. When I say tracking device or tracking device, commando take them. She don't on top, bam bam. When I go tap up, I say, "Mommy, sorry, I use it." When I just read, I reiterate which way talk am. When I go tap up, I say, "Are you there on top the bike?" When just put attention at tracking device. Who is fooling who? Who is fooling who? When I say a commando na wisdom man. After this, he go make us so wrong go in Nigeria. Go show it for Nigeria. Now those small boys them go there. Well, don't go Nigeria. And then Oh, una ma tell una one thing. Ma tell una one thing when I need to know about that video. Una know why they be deny me they not put that video for outside. They be say me they not put that video. Commando insist for Scott Johnson. Say Scott Johnson must put that video. Commando do that video on the 29th of April. Time where I'm Sako and the world draft, they can't make them. Commando call Scott Johnson say he must put that video. Scott Johnson tell you say it is not fair to put that video with your faces, everything. Commando said put the video from me. I said put it. Now why did that video come after the Amber World draft? Scott define Commando don't see they don't raise $300,000, right? Why you not going to insist me to put video? When I get for nothing, they don't say Commando don't go to Nigeria. So as he don't come back, he get for make something, they don't say don't come back. $300,000 don't be raised. And they get for send it for you. So when I think so, when I think say money that they attract and now they attack all this kind of thing. Now that money make Commando say put the even Scott Johnson deny he say put it. Scott say where? Wait till I go talk. He go put the video. I see they be fighting all over. Then the concussion say why you gonna put that video? But the man need the money. When Commando go take the money, he go in Nigeria. He go in Nigeria. Those boys they be friends now. They can't finish with their lives. Una no know. Una no know the game. Una even get for respect me because I never since I leave this thing and when I never see me I can't talk evil about some people. When I never see me, when I never even hear I say me like some man die for in a unique cost. No. All the mistakes where I make them for this thing from the beginning, now where all will be donate. It's a fact. I don't donate money. I not go deny. I not go hide them. Now why that I can't apologize for the people that I was doing this knowing that truly we had a good cause. And in not for being any problem, I don't discover that mistake. I run from it. It's not a crime. It's not a crime. When you think, when you believe in something, you do it with all your heart. You are not doing it because you want to please a particular person. That is who I was. I was doing everything from my heart for you people. But I realized that the end goal is for manipulation. It's for people to live their happy life in diaspora out of people's sweat. So I was a genuine person with all my love. Everything. You can tell. Those who know me from day one, you will tell that Yannick was that person that will do everything. When I say, no, come on, people. Come on. You don't just tell people to say they are La Republic, they are this because of their personal decisions. It doesn't work that way. And in as much as you try to correct the mistakes made in the revolution, you become an enemy. You become an enemy. Now so the whole thing there, you know if you talk the truth, they accept them. You want to talk the truth, they say, why you get for talk and so? If you talk and so, you discourage the people. How are you? No, they say you discourage the fighters. So they prefer me you lie. They prefer me you lie for the people and they encourage the fighters. Fighters will never give independence. Independence can only come through the population, and only the population can accept, can bring peace, can say enough is enough, and they stand up and kick against anything that is standing in their way. We are not here. We are not here to cause trouble. We are not here to fight each other. We are not here to benefit $1 from Cameroon government. That is not our goal. We're not there, so we're not define another one. If you are looking for position, if you are looking for amnesty to go back to Cameroon, thinking that you're going to pass through the peace ambassador, listen, we the peace ambassador, we're only doing our own. The Cameroon government has nothing to do with us because we are doing what we believe that it will help the general population. We do not need anything from them. But if they see it in the need be, they want to help the victims through the peace ambassadors, through their own initiatives, good and fine. Good and fine. But the population must rise up and say enough is enough. If you like, don't listen. Point number, now go for the next point. Okay. The next point for you will be very important. Very important. And why I didn't mention this point then, because some people they don't contact me personally. And I not the hide for you. I go mention and make una hear. Some people contact me, they say, Yannick, you think say this thing where my country people they do Operation Sunshine, the people that picture them, where they not go again for Cameroon. What do you think? Why would I not advise you? Why would I not tell my country people me do that kind of thing? Me the people that information for out there. Listen. My country, before I even became a peace ambassador, before I want to be a peace ambassador, what I do now, my country people be don't do your own work. And not be me, I be the peace ambassador na a globe, na a general thing. Not be Yannick thing for people that don't know. So no can they ask me that kind of thing, say, they might do Operation Sunshine. Listen, the Operation Sunshine where you want to hear about, I get nothing to contribute. I don't know, now your own work, now your own field. They will get the show when I call it. And for you to be sunshine from the past record, if you take your comment, when you can write it for Facebook, go for your profile, put your picture there, do your sunshine. Now me I do am. Now your own way for make una not say, una not supposed for the sponsor, for the make am people that die for nothing. So go and face him. Don't face me. I have nothing to do with that. But don't think that you will be sponsoring a war for your people to be killed. And then you want to sneak behind people and go back to the same place. It will not happen. It cannot happen that way. We all need to bring back the peace. Or you give your independence. Whatever you can do it. But the peace that we are preaching is the only way forward. I am not here to count my words with you. I am just telling you that the peace we are preaching or we are begging in more surface, in Ground Zero, in Cameroon, in Northwest and Southwest region. These two places, they need this peace, and the peace must come. Come rain, come sun, it must come. Now ask me, say, which kind of peace without dialogue? Which kind of peace without justice? Which kind of peace without whatsoever? May I go for one point? One justice. What I go for tell you. Cameroon government don't accept the Ngrabu massacre. They take the full responsibility of the Ngrabu massacre. They have acknowledged the fact that they participated in that massacre. It's public. Pobia don't even give them jail terms or whatever. Cameroon government don't serve waiting justice for that area. Now, when we talk say, Pekin and disappear for Batibo, then disappear for Bui. Which leader don't come acknowledge one, just one? Instead, a leader will come to prove a point. Why it has to happen, why it happened. Now our own justice that. Now our own justice, judicial system that. Our own judicial system. Now for talk say, this thing be happen because so, this thing be... No! Lead by example. Don't come and quarrel me that where is the justice. Cameroon at least don't accept in Ngrabu massacre. And they a lot of package they come with that acceptance. They get for FESA. If they get for FESA, it's not. They get for FESA. What happened with the 23 boys in Bui? What happened with Batibo? What happened with the ones that Field Marshal, the AJ fighters that Field Marshal killed in the BLM? So there are so many things. So many things. And you don't want justice. You want to question Yannick for justice. Listen here. The justice I am begging for now is peace. Because if the population want to retaliate on those people who have inflicted pains on them, my brother, you will say better than peace than justice, because they will give them jungle justice. Jungle justice of the first first court of instance. So they read jungle justice. Nothing where the victims of Otuam. So now you need to talk for the victims then. Wait till we the peace ambassadors will do and say, will try for bring a joyful environment for the peace for the victims. Make them understand, say, there is something we call circumstances of war. Circumstance of war. When war occurs, there are collateral damages where it happen. Though, we try our best, say, this thing not going to happen again, it not going to repeat again. Make we try for acknowledge, say, this was brother, the way they been a fighter. They find themselves in a situation where they not be prepared. So now the only reason this way, we fit embrace them, welcome them back for society, say, my brother, where I forgive you, my sister, I forgive you. By doing so, even you when you come out diaspora, you go somewhere for Cameroon, even you be sponsor this thing, They not go even attack you because the man will look for a heart say where I belong for a deep brother. Where to go make me forgot attack you? Where to go make me forgot attack the sister because come America said they sponsor the war? No, we have glittered the heart with joy. We have glittered the heart with peace. The government of Cameroon can go for justice, but the population will do injustice. Listen. The population will go for injustice. Cameroon government will go for justice. Diaspora will go for justice like you claim. But the main objective here is the civilians, the victims. These are the people in question. Not the Cameroon government, not the diaspora. So if you see the silence majority are just making their tick-tack, tick-tack, there will come a time that they will not even want to listen. There will come that time they will not want to listen. It's for your own safety. It's for my own safety. Even if you get your so-called whatever today, let me tell you, if you get independence today, the atrocity that will occur will be more than the benefits. If you like, you listen. What we are doing is education for everybody. Nobody knows tomorrow. You might be fruitful tomorrow. You might be the worst tomorrow, but because the mind is at peace, the mind is at rest, there will be no reason to pick gun and go after a brother. There will be no reason to pick a knife and chase a brother. There will be no reason to burn down your property. You people should take this seriously. There are thousands of diasporans who live in America, Europe, and whatsoever. They have properties on the ground. Nothing has been touched. But the day one will be touched, you will see their language will change. And that is why we try to advocate so that the people will not find themselves in a situation like this that they have to go after the properties of diasporans. But you just hate us for nothing. That is why I don't care what you say, because I am also helping you who is sponsoring the war for people to be killed. I am helping to save your life. A day that you will go to Cameroon thinking that everything is normal, you may find yourself in a situation and you will understand. Keep calling us names, insult us, say all sorts of things, but you will call me and thank me that Yannick, because of your message, you saved my life from the hands of who? Not military. All the time they talk and not get anything for doing military. Just put military away from this. I am talking about the people of Northwest and Southwest of Cameroon. Military not get nothing for do. Military not ever can knock for your door say you be the sponsor of war. Those victims are the ones. Those victims are the ones that will show you pepper. They will not even give you a breathing space. If you like it, don't accept it. Keep romancing with evil for others to sit in diaspora and enjoy and live their luxury life. Again, before I start taking one or two calls, I send this message directly for you for Dubai. Una 5. Una know una self. I send the message again for una directly. Listen. You not be me I send you for Dubai. Not be you send me for America. Not be make me for be activist. And not be me make you for support the revolution. You willfully join and you willfully decide for talk what you want to talk. Listen. I get your voice. I get your audio. You know yourself. You call Che Marius. You call who? Che Marius from Tambesi. You tell Che Marius. Say you get 4 people that name and their bags from Quen. Listen very well. I don't call your name for Dubai, but I just call the person you call it. You call Che Marius from Tambesi for Bamenda. You give direction. Send me the go from Quen. I'm not going to describe the man's store. You give every information about those people. Their store, the way they say. You tell how they do for camel and tell they go house. You send me they attack these guys then. Because they did the listing for Una. What do you mean by they did the listing Una? Because they sell brasseries. They sell other things there. You give this information. Again, you talk for Che Marius. Che Marius now fighter. Che Marius now fighter where it don't almost give it don't, in fact, I ain't there for the point where you don't leave this thing, but Una no. I didn't mention the name here because Una still give information for Dubai. Dubai, I dey talk this one for una because una know una self, una 5. I dey call una directly. If it happen again, or if I hear something happen with that business people from Kwen, when I una talk with Chemaros get a whole big group. If something happen for them, see, una not gonna renew that, una go get asylum for inside Dubai. Una stay there. Yes, you cannot be struggling in Dubai, and then others are dying in your country. You are there to add more pains on these business people. You dey add more pains on people when they struggle for live their life. What to be a benefit? Why you not tell them play where military they stay? You dey talk na place where your brother the same mimbo. You talk na place where your brother the sleep. Me they go attack you. You said this to Chemarius. I am telling you, 5 of you in Dubai, and you sleep in the same one room. Both of you share the same room. Sorry. One man is sleep for up, 2 people sleep for down. Una do that also. Una send them. Una send me the. Una talk for Chemaro say make it hear una voice. Now una 5 you talk. Means say una get it back. I tell una for Dubai. I didn't say all man for Dubai now so and so. But I did beg una. I did talk for those for Dubai where then say come on Cameroon for this struggle they see so far. Where even them, some of them they even scam them before they even travel come for Dubai. When I see the business where they struggle, you give man a direction. You even talk say if they not get it, the man get 2 picking them. 2. You describe that man picking them as shake. I know I show picture. If I show picture of you, I swear to God, una go shock. You describe this man for just because of the man. No, my brothers then. No, it not be fair. It not be fair. I'm telling you people. Not be so we don't weak, not be so the wickedness don't reach. You people need to really find yourself in their shoes. Find yourself in their shoes. Don't just feel because you are in Dubai, you pick your phone and strike people to death. Come, where to go benefit you. So if they catch that one man where they sell drinks or them 3, they know what to sell Brazaris Mimbo again for the whole Bamenda. Why are you people doing this to your own suffering people? Why can't you come out with ideas? And listen, people that insist for give that name. But I don't just call the name, my brothers. I go give Chemaros the number. Chemaros the number. Now say now, one use Chemaros. We go use Chemaros for get a lot of these people for diaspora for Dubai. No, at the time when I'm here, by doing this, even some man say they leak the secret. But yes. It's better to leak the secret and save lives than to try to do corner and then more people are being killed. Now some are ever try for function. But when I continue, we go get una information, passport, everything. We not go just seek asylum for them. Because even the northwest and southwest, we not go there. We not go there. So, people that from Kwen, we not watch, we not back them, I beg. My brother, people from Kwen, we not manage una life. I beg una. Una watch una back. When una come from camp una store, una look good there for una corner. Una want go back for house, una look good there around una. It go help una. It go save una lives. At just beg una because the enmity where it then for this thing not be about any independence. Now private attacks. I don't know how una get any problem. Some of these guys when they go to Dubai, but una know say from now henceforth, una lives them. Be at risk. I don't know whether they become borrow money na for now where they no one come back and get more. I don't talk something them. Una listen. Some of them don't borrow money. Now they want make they kill these people because they know can't give back their debt. They want turn and 20 Ambazonian war. You will not settle your scores with a senseless war. You go come out Dubai, you can't pay these people money. Do not be doing that. We will not stop that. It will not continue. After this, we will not go hear a lot. We will not go even go renew our passport. At the time we now, it will not continue. Mean that the kill our own people for nothing. Just because say we not want use Brazaris drink. Me they kill them. Enough of that. I don't mention them. We not for Dubai. We not don't hear me very well. No be some man. Dubai is an opportunity land. Do what you can do, make your money, go back home, invest, and create jobs for the suffering people. That would be good. But don't sit there and tell somebody who calls himself a fighter to go and grab a nice people. I want to know some Tambe there for Bamenda. No. People when they know some Tambe there. Una look out with that area. Una look out with that area. Because a lot of things they happen where it be 100% orchestrated by those people for Dubai. They fight, they're not danger, when they share in one room. The danger. I don't know whether they go be president or they go be governor. I don't know. But you know what kill some man because you want project yourself out there to be the best. That is not how it's going to work. So that won't be enough. My brother and my mommy and my papa them, una wash una back. When you want to go up with your store for morning time, I beg. Look carefully. If you feel say the Brazilians drink, some man can touch you, you explain them. Now why would you do this continuous education so that me they not say no be that drinks and be una enemy. And I go give their names of Boya Martin. Contact me and I go discuss them. And I use this thing because it be very important. I know say you want the name so badly. But I don't know whether it be FBI for Cameroon government. I know. But just understand which one it be very important because I the help now send me the situation not continue. But I will discuss it later. Okay. One other good news. One good news. I don't talk all the good and the bad. I bring the good news where all will not go happy with me. All will not go be very happy with me. All the victims. When I listen this news, this message, it come from the peace ambassadors global. Worldwide. The good news that said all the victims of the Amber War, of the killing, kidnapping, beheading, hand, will get good news. Not good news is ever too enough for you guys. I know from whatever you have gone through, I know that the good news will surely be the real one you expect them. But listen, this good news Nasawati, Elange Ekalele, my biggest brother is watching. That is the VIP. One of our biggest voices when it comes to peace ambassador, Elange Ekalele. That man, see, man just digress a little bit, talk about Elange Ekalele. This brother, it don't be for this thing. See, now we need for to go down on our knees. We want to come up for Amber activists to leaders, beg this ground because now people do it from the day one, they don't be against this thing because they don't be victims them. They don't stand against this. They don't advocate. Now the number one peace ambassadors and that from day one. They are not new. They are the founders them. We just can't meet with for work with them. But now the brain behind everything where it don't go on with the peace ambassadors and they try everything come back to normal because of the chaos where it don't go on. So I thank you very much, Mr. Elange Ekalele, for the great work. You are so awesome. My God, for that good news. Okay, mommy, papa, una take the one very careful. Oh. This one a news where una go love her. This one a news where una go sima. Na news where una no go back for neighbor me can give una maggi. Una no go back for neighbor me can give una salt. But for the meantime, we not say the burden plenty. We, the peace ambassadors, will not too over plenty for now. But we not say many days, they're there in their thousands. When we go come out openly, they will start show up with a lot of help. So what we then I say, the victims, we start with victims. We never say IDP. Listen, we are not talking of IDP, we are talking of victims of the Amazonia kidnapping, beheading, rape, or military, anything. If you be a victim for military or Amazonia attack for this crisis, you are going to benefit a big package from the peace ambassadors. We, the peace ambassadors, will still discuss for background. We will mobilize a lot of things for background. For the meantime, we want to come out with 25 million CFA. 25 million CFA. See, that is 50,000. Me want to talk here right now. If we 50 be there, devoted, my 1,000 there right now, today, now that's of $1,000. Account them, again, from this minute. Bet, because we want to bring people them, make them come wholefully for this crusade, where we go take care for Una. We go get a package. Mate Una take this news very seriously, and make Una listen to the victims them. This thing, this package, it go cover man where it be lost in farm, Mawe don't lost the business. Mawe, they don't behead the brother. Mawe, they don't cut. I'm not saying the victims are plenty, but we need a, we not go with the money. The 25 million is small money. More than officer that's some big money. If you want to help people, then that money will finish for 2 seconds. 2 seconds, you don't finish. So we need to know who will help them, and we go know how we na fit get back for una small businesses them back. We na start una lives them. They continue because we know say that anger way there for una heart. We no want them una carry am. Even these people that sponsor this war, we beg una make una not take that anger put am for them. Now why that we the peace ambassador we want come out with 25 million CFA. I swear to God, not be joke. Me what there for here, my $1,000. If we be there with 50, I will say tomorrow when I go start collect the money. Yes, it will be there with 50 right now. Forgive that money. My 1,000, me and Nick, my 1,000 for just for the girl and also for secretary. Say take the money, put them aside. We'll join the money, we'll sell them for down. We must do them. Elange Kalele the watch. Other people that the watch. Now what goes than that? And when I know say we not the peace ambassador for Cameroon there, we not be our role models then. We not go participate $1. I know una for forum. We not go give $1 for this project. All we not go do, we not go help we for facilitate the program. We go set aside people that will go all the centers them. Where people they go come there, the victims them, they take small, so one they will take 100,000, 50,000, 200,000, they start their life. But we go put a budget of $50,000 when about 26 million, I guess. But I just call $50,000 because now we go raise that money in that. So now the only way that will me at the back, when they want to be my trip to Boya, they want to be tough. They want to be tough. They want to be contender force. They want to get nothing for do with any arm. If you come there, you want donate. You say, "Oh, I bet wanna buy knife." We go send you away. We don't want to hear anything gone. We don't even want to hear that. Nothing gone. Nothing. This is strictly on the victims. Strictly on the victims. We make this decision after some guy put out that video. That video we put on yesterday, it drive for street. It say Cameroon government they take care for DDR boys them. Boys where they don't carry gun, they don't kill, and Cameroon government they use them for give them fine things. We understand. We understand say Cameroon government they help those people them. Now why that we the peace ambassador will realize and say we need to bring joy to for una heart. Cameroon government they do their own part for where it be make it get to the level. So they try to fix their own part. We don't need for blame them. We don't need for blame those boys there. And no, because which way they go on, they want first me the calmness first day. And we the peace ambassador decide say ambassadors that we decide say these victims them we need for make them to make them understand say they are humans. They are the persons in question. And these donations will be given to these people. We never yet set up the foundation, how it go. How it go be run down for these areas there. But we go work with people the way they go fit facilitate this. It get nothing for doing government. So if government want play for this role, because you get victims there from all sides, from government side, yes, when government make them to they be victims, and by them make them to they be victims. So we not bring in those donations there. If we become a 25 million, we not fit add some more. We not bring government, bring it on part because they are also part of it. They are you get victims then too. Well, pardon the call. Hello? Yes. Sorry, we get caller.
Hello?
Yeah, go on, you there live.
Yes, Yannick.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, and thank you very much indeed. And be courageous as you are, be outspoken as you are. Keep doing what you're doing. Our ancestors will protect you.
Thank you, sir.
You have done the right thing. You have taken the right decision, and you have our full support as peace ambassador. Let this one be clear, and you are doing the way you're carrying the message, and you are putting it out there as somebody who has seen the schemes that are existing here in the diaspora. You have talked about what happened, that Dubai cartel. You have talked about the cartel here in the diaspora. But let them get this one clear. Everybody in Quen, Bamenda, they will buy their whistles, and anybody who will be parading Bamenda Street in the name of Amber Boy, the population will decide your fate. Because we have noticed that when they give them to the military, they give the military monies from their kidnappings, and then things get done differently. We are not going to take that anymore. We are not going to take that standing. And you have said it. It is the truth. It is nothing but the truth. The one thing that your audience have to know is that the time for romancing and begging people is over.
It's over.
There is going to be a time for ramifications.
It's over.
People have to take responsibility for what they have done, said, and the impacts of the activities hiding here in the diaspora. And you are right. They are bloody civilians who take the war to their doorsteps and will fight the war now in court. I want to congratulate Eric Tato for becoming a blackleg, for filing a petition against his own people, and I signed that petition, and we are going to meet in court. That is where the war is going to happen. This one is for the Cameroon government. They should make sure that anything doesn't exist like general amnesty, that people who have chopped up people's fingers, people who have asked people's houses to be burnt, like those cartel that is hiding in Dubai, they come back home and want to do what you're doing. So you are not doing any justice by hiding the names of those cartel that is hiding in Dubai. Because some of these people collected money from business people, go to Dubai, that they would pay that money back, and now they become Amber. Send 200,000 to go and kill that person. Somebody that you owe to him.
Thank you, Map. That is the fact, Paddy. You don't talk up. Now the truth that business people and give you money, you fly go Dubai for borrow. Now you the same people go kill that man, so that you not go pay back that debt. You want to use the Amber for killing, you pay to give you money. That is too bad, Paddy. Very bad.
Yes, and let this one be also very, very clear. Let them know we are not going to take anything from the Cameroon government, but the Cameroon government has to recognize our initiative with some partners out here. We are going to work with the Catholic Church. I'm not a Catholic. We will work with the imams. We'll work with the civil societies, and we'll work with all NGOs that are based in Cameroon. Cameroonians should be able to sit and resolve their problem, not expecting white boys peddling lies that somebody like Ambassador Cohen will come and say, tweet, and they start jubilating. Let me say it categorically clear. There shall be no American mediated talk. All that charade is over. Cameroonians will sit and talk about themselves. And the way forward, I cannot only be criticizing. There is the necessity that Anglophones should sit down around their peers. Not Ambazonian. Ambazonian was not declared by anybody. The only thing that that I have in common with somebody like Eritato or whosoever is the fact that we speak English together. Apart from that, we are still Anglophones, and we have a common post-colonial identity that never mandated anybody to pick up guns or to fabricate arms groups like those guys who are in Dubai and trying to make Quen another war zone. But the people of Quen have risen tall. The Abakwa Boys Bike Association, they will teach them a lesson. Let anybody come out there and say that they want to go and kidnap somebody. That's when they will know that Ndamba, Nasens, Kaki, no be let the Abakwa Boys, they know they take glass. Thank you, Yannick. Mash fire, petit frère.
Thank you, Paddy Asanga, for that call. And we really appreciate the fact that our brother don't call for making own voice, for adding voice on the voice of the voiceless, adding voice to the voice of the voiceless. So we don't really talk a lot of good things in today. And when I don't hear, we get $50,000 where we set them aside for all the victims. The victims, the way that they don't cut their neck, cut their hand, take their farmlands. They don't even go for farm again. They don't get nothing of their own again. We, the peace ambassadors for diaspora, we go come out with that $50,000. Starting with me, we let her talk. If we be there with 50, I will come with my $1,000 right now. We start putting towards that project. So we got try our best. Leave them so for now, then talk other things them later. Unless some person get my phone number, but when we go launch the big day for this thing, we come out with everything everybody go know. So I just beg all my brothers, my sisters, them make una try for sit down for that comfort zone when I don't do it. Make una avoid some kind of place the way you go, una life go be taken. Una respect each other. Una embrace una brothers and una sisters, and because this thing not become for being a thing where it go to kill una. Not be the reason that way this whole thing be start. But diaspora don't prove am for una say they be ready for kill somebody, make anything happen. So una get for pay serious attention for that. It can be a brother, it can be a sister, it can be a whosoever, and we are not here to settle scores with guns. So thank you very much. Thank everybody. I don't care what I wanna. I see some people that write all kind of ramshackle comments. That is your problem. That is your problem. Like I said, I owe you no explanation. You want to be an enemy with me, you can be an enemy for life. That is your problem. But know that whatever I'm saying here today will help you when you go back to Cameroon one day. You will know that what I was preaching was for the betterment for everybody. So you can say whatever you want to say. You can cause enemies. That is your problem. Cause your enemies. That is it. I know you people have become vipers, that you don't even want to listen to the truth again. Whoever wants to say the truth automatically becomes your enemy. And I have accepted that path of life. That is it. So long as I don't give you air to breathe, I still owe you nothing on earth. You don't give me air to breathe, you owe me nothing on earth. Until the day you realize the importance of that person who gave you the air that you breathe, then you will not threaten the lives of others. You will not make the noise that you make, because you are just a dust, paper tiger. You will end up losing everything that you have, and those whom you've been insulting will enjoy those things. That is when you will know the importance of the air that you breathe. And for those who come out and speak what have to be done with those kidnappers or killers, that's all I can tell you. So becomes an enemy with any person. This is a general advice. Becomes an enemy with any person. But know that nobody lives forever. On your funeral, I will be there. On my funeral, you will be there. Some will jubilate, some will cry, some will come and pretend, oh, I love this guy, what happened? But you didn't show the love when you were alive. You pretend. You pretend to be that person that you care, only to show love when that person is gone. My brother, my sister, gone are those days. We are living in the 21st century that we should not let others try to intimidate us. Let your social media place not be monopolized by those who are trying to intimidate you. You can give them the space to talk, but don't let them control you. Once they start controlling you, you become nothing in front of their eye. They feel like they have the mandate over your life, and they feel like they can arrogate you. They can arrogate powers on you and take back the powers. No. You should be the one to arrogate those powers on them, because you got the platform and you can take it back from them. Don't feel intimidated. Nobody got the monopoly over your social media space. You can post your pictures, anything. Let nobody, they can only criticize, they cannot take it. Take it or leave it. So God bless you all. I love you all. Forever we shall succeed with our peace talk. And if you have anything to donate towards this initiative, please hold it yet. We haven't come to that table. We are still drawing. We have to put things together. Your $1 will count. Your $2 will count. That money will help those who are suffering, those who are really victims. Today, you know, people will have hands, have ears, have legs cut by, no, mama, Muna think I'm no. Muna think I'm. Even you when you nobody support this Amber war. If you go for your house for a village, you want to relax. Some man can will have fun. They say now wait till they be caught for Amber. They go kill you too. They go kill you because you come to America where you nobody support you the thing. So we need to do something. We need to do something. It's not something. It's not a burden on one person. It's something that we all participated directly or indirectly. We just need to bring back happiness amongst these our brothers. It's not mandatory, but it's something that you need to look into it and do your best. I thank you all. God bless you. We shall be coming live from time to time. Whatever kicks the mind, we say it. We don't look at faces. And we need more peace ambassadors for a better Northwest and Southwest. That is all. The government can recognize we. They cannot recognize we, but we are doing our best. A day will come that our work will speak for itself. And that is it. That is it. Nobody is too big. Nobody is the chief protocol of peace ambassadors. We all are equal. And we share equal ideas. Equal rights. Let nobody comes in and say, I am this, I am that. No. We are all equal because peace doesn't matter who is bringing the peace. Peace matters if it is accepted by the people. And that is what we want. That is what we should be fighting for. God bless you. Happy Friday. Be safe. If you are in Northwest and Southwest regions of Cameroon, please do not stay out too long. Go out for your own safety. Go back home and stay safe. Be out from this coronavirus. Don't take it for granted. It still kills. It still circulates. It still rotates amongst. It still fluctuates amongst our brothers and sisters. It is not something to joke with. So take it seriously. It's just a global advice. God bless you.